we use from Proteus for simulation. Select the Arduino Uno module. Select the Alphanumeric LCD 16x4. Use form pins 1 and 6 for the LCD. We use for labels to connect the pins. It is recommended to watch video search and tag the property assignment tool. Open the Arduino IDE. Attach the LCD header file. Initialize the library with the numbers of the interface pins. There are 4 ways to connect an LCD to an Arduino. We use this pattern. Check hardware, 3 control pins, and 4 data pins. The begin function defines the columns and rows available on the device, for example, 16 columns and 2 rows. Specifies the position of the cursor on the LCD, first the column, then the row. Write a character to the LCD. Compile the program. Find the address of the hex file on your system. If the hex file is not generated for you, it is recommended that you watch video Blinking LED by Arduino. Give the hex file to the IC. The print function can be used to display text. The print function is also used to display numbers. Remember, our LCD has 4 rows. Another example, counter 0 to 255. If you are interested in the topics of this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.